Welcome to our video on how to invest in your future by living a healthier and happier life as you age. As we get older, it's important to take care of our physical, mental, and emotional well-being to ensure a fulfilling and enjoyable life. In this video, we'll be sharing some top tips to help you live your best life as you age. If you're very young right now, then you may think that anti-aging articles and tips don't apply to you. Those are for older people, right? Wrong. In reality, those videos apply to you more than anyone else. After all, it's too late to prevent aging once you are already feeling and looking a lot older. And when you get to that point where the crow's feet and age spots are showing, you'll only wish that you had taken the opportunity to protect yourself against aging when you were younger. So what can you do right now to make sure that you keep your good looks and good health well into older age? 1. Lifestyle. In terms of lifestyle, there are a ton of things you need to do to stay younger and healthier in the way you look and feel. For starters, try to avoid too much direct sunlight. UV rays damage the skin cells, and while you might think nothing of this, it makes a huge cumulative difference that is very apparent when you're older. Likewise, you absolutely have to make sure you are getting plenty of high-quality sleep. This will help you improve your health in all manner of ways, as sleep is when the body restores cells, forms new neural connections, and produces lots of growth hormone and testosterone. 2. Skincare. The right skincare regimen can make a massive difference. Any good skincare routine should incorporate an exfoliator, some kind of protection, and some kind of moisturizer. And don't forget the hands. Often the hands are the biggest giveaway of your true age when you're older. 3. Nutrition. Nutrition is massive important when it comes to the way you age. Many of the illnesses we associate with old age are in fact just the result of long-term nutrient deficiencies. If you ensure that you keep getting enough of your micronutrients, your body will be supplied with all the raw materials it needs to keep you looking and feeling as young as possible. 3. Movement. Finally, exercise. And don't just exercise, move more. Sitting takes years off of your life because it allows your heart to become weaker. What's more is that it also weakens your muscles, ruins your flexibility, and damages your posture. It's very important that you keep moving as you get older to avoid a hunched-over appearance. Here is a bonus for staying long. The best nutrition for preventing aging. There are lots of things you can do to slow down the sands of time and age a little slower. A lot of this boils down to the right lifestyle. And if you can avoid the sun, get lots of exercise, and learn to better handle stress, all these things will keep you looking and feeling younger. But sometimes it's even simpler than that. In fact, one of the very best ways to stay young is just to eat right. Eating the right foods can help you to fend off deterioration as well as to fortify yourself against illness and help your body to keep rejuvenating itself. Let's take a look at some of the very best nutrition that will help you to stay youthful. 1. Antioxidants. Most important of all are your antioxidants. These are things like vitamin C, which help to combat free radicals in the body. Free radicals are compounds that travel freely around the body and that are reactive when they come into contact with the cell walls. This is bad news, because they can eventually damage the exterior of the cells to the point where they look wrinkled and aged. Worse, they can eventually break through to the DNA and cause mutations that lead to cancer. Eating lots of antioxidants will keep these to a minimum, thereby reducing the negative effects they have on the body. 2. Immune support. Vitamin C also happens to boost the immune system, which means that it can help to fight all manner of illnesses and invading forces that can badly damage your health in older age. 3. Omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acid is very good for keeping your brain young and healthy in older age. That's because it is able to improve cell membrane permeability, speeding up communication between brain cells. Better yet, omega-3 is also an antioxidant, protects joints, and improves nutrient absorption. It also slows the breakdown of muscle. 4. Amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, and they're incredibly important for your health, especially as they age. These compounds serve all manner of important roles in the body, from forming enzymes to aid digestion to forming neurochemicals. They also act as the raw materials that the body is made from, though, and that makes them crucial in restoring tissues as we get older, including muscle and skin. So there you have it, our top tips for investing in your future and living a healthier and happier life as you age. Remember to stay active, eat a healthy diet, stay social, get enough sleep, and stay mentally active. These simple steps can make a significant difference in your health and well-being as you age. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.